Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Honda Pilot. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with alloy rims. We have a power liftgate, all-wheel drive, and sunroof. On the inside we have heated lumbar support leather seats with our backup camera, as well as heated steering wheel and cruise control. Now moving on to the interior of the Pilot. On our door panel we can see we have our black trim. We also have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, automatic for the front, then our lock and unlock buttons and rear window lock. Beneath we have our liftgate, gas filler cap release, storage, and additional storage underneath, and then our speaker. Side of the seat we have power adjustable seats, and just behind it here is our lumbar support. Left of the steering wheel we have our mirror controls, fuel economy mode, park assist, lane departure warning, traction control, front collision alert, then our heated wipers. Our gauge cluster with screen and digital speedometer just above. Multifunction, leather wrapped heated steering wheel. You can see we also have lane keep assist, our cruise control, controls for the radio, and just tucked behind here beneath the phone settings is our heated steering wheel option. Little orange light when it's on. Our push start, infotainment screen with backup camera. We also have our phone connectivity and rear audio controls for our rear DVD player. More on that in just a second. Below we have our dual zone climate controls for the front, also our rear climate controls, so let's try zone climate. Heated seats for the driver and passenger. And here's our DVD loader. You can see we can turn it on or off, and charging outlets underneath. I believe this is a brake controller. Aftermarket. Our gear selection stock, 2 cup holders. Our traction control management. So we have normal, snow, mud, and sand. Our key here. You can see we have remote start and our liftgate release. Honda badge on the back. And we'll go ahead and open the center console area for storage. You can see we have the remote for our rear DVD player. Give you a look at some of the features there. Then 2 headsets, additional charging outlets, and a little slider for a phone or a wallet or other coins or something like that. Both of the front seats have fold down leather armrests, and the front seats themselves are featured in black leather with gray stitching. Again, these are heated seats with lumbar support. And above the rear view mirror we have reading lights, 3 garage door openers, a sunglass holder, gray headliner, and sunroof. Back onto the exterior we can see our chrome alloy rims with Honda badge center caps. We have paint matched mirror caps beside indicators, and then our paint matched door handles. You can see we have a lighter front and darker rear privacy tint. Roof racks up top. Then moving around to the back we have our Pilot and all-wheel drive badging in chrome. Hitch underneath with a Honda badge on it, if you can see that there. Go ahead and open our power liftgate. Beep lets you know it's open. Inside of which we have the rear 60/40 fold down. Some storage underneath. Rear speaker, and these hooks here for a privacy cover. Now moving on to the rear interior. You can see first and foremost we have our rear sunshades. Those just clip in to these little clips up above. And with the tint, it'll make it pretty much impossible to see into the back. Super private for the rear passengers. We have our chrome door handles, 2 cup holders in each of the door panels. And we also have our window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats, we can see we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our rear vents. Heated seat options for the rear 60/40. Rear climate controls, direction of airflow, and then a charging outlet with the inputs for our headphones for the DVD player. Stepping inside now, take a look overhead. You can see we do have the DVD player up here. Right here is where the remote clips into. In our rear seats, there are 60/40 with a far rear 60/40 I'll get to in just a minute here. We have 2 cup holders in the middle, 2 in the door panels. So we've got 6 just in this small area, and the far rear, it's a 60/40 again. with an additional 2 off to either side. And the seat belts for the middle passengers are stored in the roof. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2017 Honda Pilot. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.